Hello to everyone. I'm going to present you the bean dumper. As you can see, it's completely stainless steel. It's ideal for 200-liter beans, the Euro beans. It has two sides, as you can see here, that the bean come with this way, like this. The next step is to put your leg in this part. You add some resistance and then carefully you lift down the bean like this. You turn it down, and at this position you can clean it with a more easy way. As you can see, you can add water here. All the dirt can come out, and this is the system.